What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can check or see your followers on the Phantom wallet. Also, before we get started, if you want to grab a free stock worth up to $100 by signing up to Trading212, I will leave that link in the description below. Now let's get started. So first off, once you open up your Phantom wallet, you will be on this default page right here. Now to check your Phantom wallet followers, you would need to click on your Phantom username in the upper left corner. Now once you click on your username, you would need to click View Profile right here. And once you click View Profile, this editing option will load right here. Now from this menu, all you need to do is just click Follower right here or Followers. And on this tab, you would be able to see all the followers that are currently following you on the Phantom wallet. And also the people that you are following. So that's guys how you can check your Phantom wallet followers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.